Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. As a lot of people know, we sell Gladaid key machines, and because of which we've ordered in some replacement parts for that. They're available in our lock shop, drlock.com.au/store. The links in the description there. Just going to show you some of the available parts. We have the cutter for the GL20. It also does their other small key machine, so if you've got a Gladaid small key machine, you can get a replacement there. That would be for the 12 volt, the battery powered, the GL320, GL320L, all of them. Brand new cutters. Do they say much about it? No. They're the high use cutters, so they're really good quality cutters. We also have the buffing wheels as well. This is for the GL320L, which has the little buffer on the side there. Nice little nylon brush, goes on the side like that. Okay. We also have the buffer for the GL888. If I can get it out. There we are. This is the larger key machine with the dual carriage. As you see there, nylon brush for buffing the keys. These parts are available from our lock shop, so we've just recently added them this week. We also have the belt for the 888, GL888. As you see, it's not a standard type of belt. It's got these little ridges in it. So you will need an original belt when that one comes time to replacing. We also have the same belt for the GL320 and most likely the GL320L and the other battery powered one that they have as well. So replacement belts, very important. We also picked up some other belts. These belts are suitable for the frame and code machine. We had one of them a while back. But we also tracked down the belt, so if you're looking for a replacement belt, we can help you out. We have a couple of them in stock as well. It's not the original one, it is an aftermarket one, but it seems to work pretty well. So there's some of the new products we have on our lock shop this week, and if you've got any further questions, please put them down below, and if you'd like to see these products or buy these products, please see the link in the description. Thanks for watching.